Come with me on a fun trip to learn lots of terms used in English grammar. I promise you it won't be boring. As usual, there's a guide to this lesson that you can download for free in the description. But check your emails first in case we've already sent it to you. Hi, I'm Steve. Let's do this. Nouns name people, places and things we can see. Like friends, cities, or a movie on TV. Pronouns step in when a noun is repeated. He, she, it, they're all that's needed. Pronouns show possession, like my, your, or his. Saying who owns something, whose it is. Possessive nouns show ownership too, like John's book, Emma's car. Things that belong to them, not you. Adjectives add details. They help you explain. Big or small, fancy or plain. Verbs are for actions that are taking place, like eat, sleep, fight, or chase. Drinking, sleeping, or carrying on, verbs describe what's being done. Now adverbs explain how those actions unfold. Quickly, slowly, clearly, their story is told. Prepositions show where something is found, on a desk, under a tree, or somewhere around. Conjunctions link. They help sentences flow, joining words and phrases, helping ideas grow. And, but, or, they help combine, making sentences work just fine. Interjections burst out loud, emotions spill, they're strong and proud. Hey, wow, oh, they shout and cheer. Quick reactions we all can hear. Articles like a, an, and the tell us which thing you mean. Is it one specific thing or something you've not seen? Determiners like this, that, and each point out what's in view, helping us choose between one or a few. The subject is what a sentence refers to, but the predicate tells us what they do. It shows the action and what's being described, like she runs, they play, or he feels surprised. Learn these terms and you'll never look back. This is another lesson from me, Steve Mack.